Welcome aboard the Shipment Record Simulation team. As we prepare for a smooth landing, let's ensure we're all aligned on our mission to streamline air cargo data sharing with one record.
Just like every flight needs a clear path, we need precise data. One record is a powerful framework. However, differing interpretations can bring quality problems and issues. Consistency is key to avoid any turbulence in communication. Diverging interpretations of one record are a big risk for the safety. Thus, major European cargo airlines, Fraunhofer IML, and the software provider IBS have joint forces to ensure you have a comprehensive tool for testing. The Neon Simulate Suite.
So we'll introduce you now one of our use cases. So here the forwarder created a shipment record. You can see the several objects inside, so the waybill, the parties, the booking, shipment and pieces with dimension and weight. Here in the use case we want to modify the weight, and so we'll introduce you the collection needed for that.
For this we created a Postman collection. You can see here the different requests for our use cases. However, Postman is quite technical and also a shipment record is quite complex. That's why we created a Neon simulation.
Now, let's move into the solution. What we can see here is the starting screen. We can provide a URL for a Postman collection, or we can upload a file. We will upload a file. We select the Postman collection we already presented. Now the simulation is running. We can see now the dashboard, which says 29 tests have been passed, but 2 have been failed. You can see the details here. Now let's move on to the test details. You can see a list. We have 3 test scenarios. Let's go into the first one. The first one is a changing of a weight.
In our solutions, the test outputs are visually represented using swim lane diagrams, where each node represents an actor. This enhances communication between participants. The diagram is generated dynamically using the logistics agent URL generated from access tokens. This ensures clarity and efficiency.
We can also see every single request and their results. As you remember, we saw a failed one, so let's go back and check the failed test. Here we see again the swim lane diagram, and it shows which requests have been failed. Okay, it's a verification request. This makes sense because the current Neon implementation does not provide support for the API 2.1 implementation, which contains a verification request.
The challenge we are addressing in this hackathon is a bit on the monitoring part. So the idea is to provide a endpoint which we can use it for the fetching all the notification which received in the Neon Record server. So this feature is currently available in the Open Logic Foundation GitLab, and this feature is ready for use.
Remember, safety first. If you don't trust the solution yet, let me introduce the team behind it, so you can be sure you put your trust in the right party.
As we approach our destination, let's commit to using one record effectively. Together, we can ensure our data is reliable and ready for any journey.
Thank you for being part of the One Record journey. Let's give every shipment a safe landing. Your dedication and attention to detail are what make this possible. Together, we can achieve seamless and efficient data sharing that benefits everyone.